Hello class 12th. This is your subject business studies. Chapter number 10 financial market. Lecture number 3. Beta in our last lecture I told you about money market instruments है ना, treasury bill, commercial paper, commercial bill and all. So in this lecture we'll study about capital market. Fine. So let's start our lecture. What do you mean by capital market? Capital market facilitates an institutional arrangement through which long-term securities are raised and invested, included both debt and equity. Fine. So we can say capital market is a market for medium and long-term funds. It includes all the organizations, institutions, and instruments that provide long-term and medium-term funds. So it does not include the instrument or institutions which provide finance for short period. Short period means up to 1 year. Fine. So the common instrument used in capital market are shares, debentures, bonds, mutual funds, and public deposits. Fine. So capital market can be defined as a market which channelizes the saving into investment. So it allocates capital resources among alternative uses. Fine. Basically, it intermediates the flow of saving of those who save a part of their income from those who want to invest it in productive assets. Fine. So let's see the features of capital market. Following are the features of capital market instrument. Number one, provide long-term funds. Beta, capital market provide long-term fund because it is a crucial link between saving and investment process. So it transfer money from savers to entrepreneurial borrowers. Fine. Second one is lesser outlay required as unit value of instrument is low. They are saying lesser outlay required because in capital market we use long term funds. Fine. So it provides intermediaries such as brokers, depositories, etc. These intermediaries act as a working organs of capital market and are very important element of capital market. So is duration. Say next one is duration more than 1 year. Capital market duration, instrument duration is more than 1 year. Fine. So basically these are not for short period, these are for long period. Fine. Next one is liquidity. Capital market involves in liquidity because definitely it involves the changing of instrument. Fine. Basically it provides liquidity to business. How does capital market provide instrument to business? Sorry, liquidity to business. Because here market securities are sharing. Maybe they are not actively traded, but it may not easily find a buyer. That's why we can say it is less liquid, but liquidity is there. Fine. Lower safety. They are saying capital market are instruments are riskier because in how they are riskier because in return and principal repayment, both are riskier in capital market instruments in comparison to money market instruments. Fine. So if they are riskier, then definitely lower safety is there, as point E denotes. Fine. Next one is higher expected return as compared to short-term securities. Beta, definitely the investment in capital market generally yield a higher return for investors. Fine. They yield a higher return for investors because they deal in long term investment, so there is a link between savers and investment opportunities. That's why they provide sufficient information to investors and must allocate capital productively. Fine. So these were the features of capital market into two parts, one primary market and second secondary market. Fine. What do you mean by primary and secondary market here? Let's see. Primary market means the market which is also called new issue market. Fine. How? Because as in this market securities are sold for the first time. फर्स्ट टाइम सिक्योरिटी सेल प्राइमरी मार्केट में ही होती है, इसलिए इसको न्यू इश्यू मार्केट भी बोलते हैं. तो न्यू सिक्योरिटीज आर इश्यूड फ्रॉम द कंपनीज. So primary market directly contribute in capital formation because in primary market company goes directly to investors. Fine. So primary market is also called new issue market because it transfers investable funds from saver to entrepreneurs. Fine. Basically, they are saying that it directly contribute in capital formation because in primary market, company goes directly to investors and utilizes these funds for investment in building, plants and machinery. Fine. Next point C, funds used for setting up new projects, expansion and diversification, modernization of existing products, and mergers and takeovers. Fine. In primary market. So, new issues in primary market. Let's see that methods. First of all, offer through prospectus. What does it mean? It means that inviting subscription from public through issue of prospectus. So a prospectus makes a direct appeal to investors to raise capital through an advertisement in newspaper and magazines. Beta, they are saying under this method company issue a prospectus to inform and attract public. So in prospectus, company provide detail about the purpose for which funds are being raised, past financial performance of the company, and background and future prospect of the company. Fine. So the information in the prospectus help the public to know about risk and earning potential of the company. So accordingly, they decide where to invest or not in that company. Fine. So this is called offer through prospectus. Next one is offer for sale. Beta, under this method, securities are offered for sale through intermediaries like issuing houses or stock brokers. The company sells its security to intermediator or broker at an agreed price and broker resell them to investor at a higher price. ये कह रहे हैं इस स्टेज पर ऑफर फॉर सेल में कंपनी अपनी सिक्योरिटीज ब्रोकर को बेच देती है अग्रीड प्राइस जिस पे कंपनी और ब्रोकर दोनों एग्री हो और ब्रोकर फिर उसे सिक्योरिटीज को रीसेल करता है कहाँ पर इन्वेस्टर्स के पास एट अ हायर प्राइस जितना भी वो प्रॉफिट कमाना चाहे उस पर. So under this method, new securities are offered to general public but not directly by the company but by the broker who buys lot of securities from the company. So the intermediaries are the firm of brokers. So sale of securities take place in two steps. First, when the company issues securities to intermediary as face value, And second, when intermediaries issue security to general public at a higher price. Underline it. Understood, beta? Underline this, that company is selling security to broker at an agreed price and broker then resell them to investors at a higher price. Fine. So this is basically called offer for sale. Next one is private placements. It refers to the process in which securities are allotted to It refers to the process in which securities are allotted to institutional investors and some selected individuals. Fine. Basically, they are saying that under this method, these securities are sold by the company to an intermediaries at a fixed price, and in second step, broker or intermediaries sell this security not to general public. They are not selling this security to general public as they were selling in offer for sale, but to selected clients at a higher price. So this is called private placement. Fine. So the issuing company issues prospectus to give detail about its objectives and future prospectus to the reputed clients prefer to buy securities from the broker. Fine, this is called private placement. Understood? Next one is right issue. Beta, right issue means the issue in which new shares are offered to the existing shareholders in proportion to the number of shares they already possess. दे आर सेइंग जो शेयर होल्डर्स हमारे पास हैं, नए शेयर्स जो हैं उनको अलॉट किए जाते हैं. सो दिस इज द इश्यू ऑफ न्यू शेयर टू एग्जिस्टिंग शेयर होल्डर्स. इट इज कॉल्ड राइट इश्यू. इसको राइट इश्यू इसलिए बोलते हैं बिकॉज it is the preemptive right of shareholders that company must offer them the new share before subscribing to the outsider. Means कंपनी के जो भी शेयर होल्डर होते हैं उनको शेयर्स इशू किए जाते हैं आउटसाइडर को इशू करने से पहले. Because each shareholder has the right to subscribe to the new shares in proportion of the shares he already holds. Fine. This is called right issue. इसको right issue बोलते हैं. Fine. We call it right issue. So the shareholders are offered the right to buy new share in proportion of the number of shares they already hold in that company. Fine. Basically, we are saying that company give preference to the old shareholders rather than giving shares or selling shares to the new subscribers. Fine. So this is called right issue. So all these are the method of floating new issue in the primary market. Offer through prospectus, offer for sale, private placement, right issue, and finally EIPO. What do you mean by EIPO? It means electronic initial public offer. Last one is EIPO, electronic initial public offer. So, beta, electronic initial public offer is a method of issuing securities through an online system of stock exchange. Let's see how. Capital to public through online system of stock exchange has to enter into an agreement with the stock exchange. This is called initial public offer, electronic initial public offer. So this is the new method of issuing securities through online system of stock exchange. In this, company has to appoint registered brokers for the purpose of accepting applications and placing orders. So the company issuing security has to apply for the listing of securities on any exchange rather than the exchange it has offered its securities earlier. Fine. So the manager coordinates the activities through various intermediaries connected with the issue. They are saying SEBI registered broker have to be appointed for the purpose of accepting application and placing orders with the company. फाइन। सेबी जो है रजिस्टर्ड ब्रोकर अपॉइंट करती है जो एप्लीकेशन लेते हैं और कंपनी से ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं, सो दैट दे कैन पुट दिस ऑर्डर ऑनलाइन, और ऑनलाइन एवरीबडी गेट टू नो दैट हाउ मेनी शेयर्स ऑफ सम कंपनी, एबीसी कंपनी, are already sold and how much are left. Fine. So all this was the system of method of flotation of securities in primary market, and primary market, remember it always, it is also called new issue market because here market securities are sold for the first time. So your homework is you have to revise this topic and previous topics as well and note down in your notebook. Fine.